Previously on Kim Possibl.
G-Day is here! We're actually graduating!
It all seems so final.
Nothing lasts forever, stoppable. Things fall apart. The center cannot hold.
KP, why does it have to end?
He's mutating.
So long, Middleton High.
See? So not the end of the world.
Your mystical skills will blossom in adversity.
KP!
Thank you, Warhawk.
Your entire planet will pay.
So, payback's the sitch.
I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm Kim Possibl. There is nothing I can't do when danger comes. Just know that I am on my way. It doesn't matter where or when there's trouble. If you just call my name, Kim Possibl. Call me Big Man if you wanna reach me. When you wanna face me, it's so whenever you need me, baby. Call me Beat Me if you wanna reach me. If you wanna reach me. Doesn't matter where, doesn't matter when. I will be there for you till the very end. Danger or trouble, I'm there on the double. You know that you always can call Kim Possibl.
So what's the sitch?
Call me Beat Me if you wanna reach me.
Objective. Total planetary domination. That was my objective!
Hey, we're a pretty tough planet.
Yes! Tough! Victory is ours!
And I am confident that we have set a new Lore-Wardian invasion
Oh,
record.
please, I call bull buttons. You can't just conquer the world in the time it takes to order a pizza.
Maybe you can't. Apparently, they can.
Pretty slick, fellas. Electrochemical energy.
Take the operating principles of a potato battery, substitute a mystery meat, you can power the whole school.
Okie doke. Everyone is accounted for. And handling the crisis well.
Now, just listen to Nana. These kids need to see adults who are brave and strong.
You want me to pull myself together?
No. I want you to hide in the nurse's office until this whole business blows over.
Okay, I uplinked to Jim and Tim's satellite. Definitely getting a clearer picture.
And?
It's bad.
Bad doesn't begin to describe it. First, they took out the power all over the planet. They activated these machines everywhere, and they can't be stopped, at least by conventional means.
What about Kim?
Nothing yet. If Kim's lost in the stars, I'm finding her. We're gonna need a rocket.
Oh. Well, at least they didn't. Why is it never cow and chow?
Prisoner confinement complete. Okay, good.
What aspect of held prisoner aboard an alien spacecraft is good?
It's good that they're not paying attention to us. They think we're trapped here.
Aren't we?
Not for long.
I find your youthful optimism irritating.
Would you just... What is that?
What is what?
On your neck.
On my neck? Is it a bug? Get it off! Get it off! Oh, this again.